Dear friends, I am Parvinder from West Highlander and I welcome you all in this video where I would be speaking about some of the queries we receive from students who are interested to study in New Zealand. These students are married and they have children and they are interested to know about the visa options for their children. The common queries we receive from these students are like, can they take their children along with them to New Zealand on dependent visas? What are the different types of visas they may be eligible for? What type of visa would be best suited for them? If they have any children who are school going, what kind of visa category would be applicable for them? So in this video, I would be answering these queries. So friends, keep watching for complete information. One of the major attractions for applying New Zealand student visa is that the students may apply for dependent visas for their spouse as well as any children they may have. This video is particularly about the visa options for dependent children. The students may sponsor the visa application for their dependent children. They may sponsor the visitor visa or a student visa for their dependent children. Now the visa category would depend on various factors. If your children are below 5 years of age, then visitor visa would be best option for them. If your children are of school going age, like they are 5 years or above, then you may apply for dependent student visas for your dependent children. Now applying for student visa would depend on various factors. One of the factors is the course you are enrolled in New Zealand for your study. You may directly support the student visa application of your school-going children if you are studying a PhD program or a master's degree by research. In both the programs, you may directly support the student visa application for your dependent children. But if you are enrolled in a course, let's say master's by coursework, or a graduate diploma at level 7, which is in the green list, then you may support the visitor visa for your children. Now, if your child is of school going age, then what is the best option for them? Let's take example of a student who is enrolled in masters by coursework. Based on your enrollment in masters by coursework in New Zealand, you may support the work visa for your dependent spouse. You may support the visitor visa for your child, but you cannot support the student visa for your child as you are enrolled in masters by coursework. This course is not eligible to support student visa. Now, what could be the best option for your children? Your spouse who applies for his dependent work visa as your dependent may support the student visa of your children based on his work visa application. So in this way, if you are not directly able to support the student visa based on your course, and if your spouse can apply for work visa based on your course, then your spouse may support the student visa for your school-going children. So these were the visa options. Friends, I hope you find this video useful. For any query you may have about applying for New Zealand student visas, dependent visas, please contact West Highlander. We are a team of experienced and expert counselors who can help you throughout the process. Thank you.